Friends, welcome to Lakshmi Arts. And today in this video, let's see how to make a cute little gift box for Raksha Bandhan. Also, this gift box can be made for Valentine's Day, birthdays or anniversaries by making some minor changes. The step-by-step procedure of making this gift box with proper specification of making the box for a particular object is explained in a detailed manner in this video. Hoping you'll like this video and try making a gift box of your own. Friends, let's begin with making the shadow box. Let's start making the template. For that, let's take a plain paper and the object to be placed inside the shadow box. Next, let's measure the width of the object we want to place inside the box. Here it is about half an inch in width. So taking half inch as the measurement, let's draw 4 margins vertically. Measuring half inches in width, let's plot the points first and join them vertically. Make 4 margins horizontally. Plot the points and join horizontally as shown. Now let's measure the height of the object, which is about 6 inches. So here we have to add 1 inch to it, that is 7 inches in total. Let's mark points from this horizontal line upwards and measure 7 inches. Plot 2 points and join the line. Now let's measure the length of the object, which is almost 2¼ inches. Let's add 1 inch to it, that becomes 3¼ inches. Let's measure 3¼ inches horizontally and mark 2 points to join the line. The extra 1 inch are the margins added on both the sides. So if the margin is half inch, we have to add 1 inch, and if the margin is 1 inch, we have to add 2 inches for the inside width of the object. Again, let's measure half inches margins outside this box, horizontally and vertically. Once all the markings are done and the margins are made, our grid should look like this. Next, let's mark half inch on the second margin from outside. Join the ends to the corner of the first and the third margins as shown. Similarly, let's do the other side too. Now let's cut the shape out. Here our template is ready. We have made this template for this particular object, and we can reuse this template for making a box for the same object again. Here we have marked the lines on this red paper using the template to make the shadow box. Now let's fold the lines marked. Once the folds are done, turn the folds inside on all the 4 sides and lock it as shown. Apply glue at the bottom and once again fold it to retain the shape. Also add glue at the corners too to retain the shape. Here our shadow box for this object is ready. Next, let's take A4 sized card paper. As our box measures 3¼ inches, let's mark 3¼ inches on the card paper. Add a margin of 2 mm. This will help to fold the paper. Next is a ½ inch margin and again a 2 mm gap margin. Similarly, let's continue to make a template for 3-fold card by continuing making the same measurements. Here our 3-fold card is ready, and when it is folded, it becomes a box. Now let's stick the shadow box made earlier in the center slot. Next, let's stick gold paper on ½ inch slot and the edges of the card paper as shown. Fill the remaining space with red colored card paper. Let's make a message card. For that, let's take a 5 inches square paper, fold it into square shape, again fold it into a triangle shape. Let's mark a heart shape on it and cut the shape out. Now holding two opposite sides of the paper, fold it as shown. Taking a card paper of the same size, cut it to make a lapel shape. And stick it onto the card made earlier. Add a red colored bow to it. Add 2 buttons too as shown. Next, let's stick this message card onto the box and keep it to dry. Let's take that square piece cutout from the template made earlier and cut 2 rows out of it. Using this, cut the same shape from the card paper too. Cut slits on the center square on the first row. Stick this paper on the box as shown. Here our box is ready from inside. We have stuck a message in gold letters too. We can write a message inside this card too. Let's attach this Rakhi onto the slot made earlier. This will fix the Rakhi firmly onto the box. Let's place our gift inside the shadow box and close the box. Now let's make a slider ring to the box as shown. Let's complete the slider ring with a paper flower. Friends, here our gift box is ready for gifting for Raksha Bandhan. Not only Raksha Bandhan, but we can make this gift box for Valentine's Day, birthday, anniversary too by changing the message. And instead of the Rakhi, we can attach a card paper slot to place the cash inside. I hope you all liked this video. Thanks for watching.